Welcome back, everybody. It's Lance with Honeycutt Brush. Appreciate your time. I'm Lance with Honeycutt Brush. See you in the next one. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are on a beautiful 74-degree day. I just got off of work, so I'm down here working on this machine. I greased it. Got a couple fittings we're gonna have to look at, but overall, everything's been greased on it. I put some hydraulic fluid in it because of that top cylinder leaking. So what we're gonna do now is try to get the rest of this going on. You can already tell I've cleared a little bit. I don't know if that sun is in the way or not, but I've cleared a little bit. I mean around, I don't know, half an acre maybe. And we're starting to pile. And I'm gonna start working up this way today. So I'll get the drone out in a little bit. The wind's blowing right now, but I'm gonna hook this thing up to the side of the cab right here and we're gonna get to work. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the content so far. Hope you liked the video from before. This is probably gonna be a couple days from now from the original of me working on this excavator, getting it ready for, you know, what we're doing right now. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe down below. Tell me some things I can work on with this excavator, since I've only got about 4 or 5 hours in it. Finally got the feel to it, but you know, I'm no expert whatsoever. But anyways, guys, I appreciate you. I'll see you in a little bit. Out. You hear that screech? That's one of the ones we're having to work on. It does not have a grease fitting on it right now, and it slowly started to do that over the last couple times I've been working. So that's going to be number one on our list. What I'm planning on doing today is just sort of getting over there, sort of going in reverse, but plan on going over towards the pine trees over here in front of us and clear it up. I'll be right back. I got a phone call. So what I've been doing is I've been taking this machine and sort of pushing them down and digging the stump out. And the one thing, these teeth, I'm not a fan of them, but they grab and they get the pine out of the way. So that's what I've been doing. I've just been, these small ones, they're not going to hit me, so I just try not to tear the ground up too much. But it's just been easier doing it this way. Root up and then trying to slide them over. Like I said, I'm no professional. trying to get better at this every day. Because if this is what I'm going to do for a living, I kind of got to get good at it. But I'm just trying to get a pile set up that I can grab and get going. Another thing I'm looking for are stumps. There are try not to drive over that. Hopefully did. It's hard to work and talk at the same time, but I think these guys sort of get the gist of what I'm doing. So my plan is just to walk this machine up this hill into these woods, try to get these pines cleaned out and piled up so I can move them to the main pile. So let's work on that, see if we can't get it done. Come on.